I just want to show you guys something else you can do with a computer, and it's really just about saving a little space, saving yourself some time in finding stuff, and being organized with your media files. So here we have one whole file of our pictures. This is one single event. Everything's labeled. It's in order. They're numbered. It's a great way to keep everything. It's just neat and organized. We can have folders and subfolders within, and a great place to keep this stuff. If we go to the desktop, come into My Documents, Windows has defaults here. You have my pictures, my videos, my music, and we can make subfolders within that hold all the other media. And that makes it a lot simpler when we go to search and we find what we want. If we're looking for a specific event, Aunt Sarah's wedding from 1972, then we can punt that in here. And as we do, it makes it a lot easier to find everything. It'll be in one place, one date. You won't have to go traipsing through the entire computer, and it will save you a lot of memory.